A press conference was conducted by Bahutva Karnataka in regard to the breakdown of the rule of law in Karnataka and the communal violence that has spiked in the state after Baswaraj Bommai took over as the chief minister.
ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದೆಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಗೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಹತಾಶೆಯ ನನಗೆ ಅಧಿಕಾರವಿರುವಂಥ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಹತಾಶೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತುಂಬ ನೋವಿದೆ, ಹಂಚ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ. ಏನು ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಸರ್, ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಸರ್ ನೋಡಿ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಈ ನೋವಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಜನರೇ ನಾನಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದಂತಹ ಕೊಲೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಆಗ ಆಗುವಂತಹ ಸ್ಥಿತಿ ನಾವು ತಂದಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ಷಮೆ ಯಾಚಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂಥ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ. ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಇವತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ರೈಲ್ವೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಶಾಸಕರು ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನೆಟ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್. ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ನಾವು ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಈ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾನೂನು ಸುವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನ ಕಾಪಾಡುವ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ನೋವಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾತಿದೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಓದು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಮವಾಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಈ ದೇಶದ ಸಂವಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಬದ್ಧರಾಗಿರ್ತೇನೆ, ಈ ದೇಶದ ಸಂವಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಅನುಗುಣವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಕಾರ್ಯವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ, ಕಾಯ ವಾಚ ಮನಸ ಅಂತಃಕರಣ ಶುದ್ಧಿಯಿಂದ ನಾನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ.
They have been happening quite some time. There's one factor, but there has been the failure of the state government in assuring people that it will take the kind of even-handed approach towards any of this crime, trying to find the reasons why such things are getting repeated over a period of time, why that's happening. And I think these are the aspects that the government is responsible. In fact, for me, we have been today talking about, while we make the series of demands on the government that it should take immediate action and should stop doing this kind of UP model in Karnataka, because it does not make sense. We have very fairly efficient police department in this country. I'm a former state public prosecutor. I know how some of them, how much they work here in this. The moment you get rising to the occasion has been one of the major ability of the state police. And trying to say that we are going to get UP model kind of thing, getting commando systems, I think certainly does not speak well for a state, and it does not speak well for a department, police department, which has been doing such good service. In fact, we should know that Karnataka is one of the states which is very lowest criminal crime report which happens here in this state compared to other states are concerned. The kind of economic development which we have, the kind of educational reach, access that we have is much different from other states.
Today we are seeing a very serious situation in Karnataka. We are seeing that the complete breakdown of rule of law that is taking place. You have the chief minister of our state, Mr. Baswaraj Bommai, making a statement saying that they will bring in the UP model. You have Dr. Ashwath Narayana, who is saying that, who is promoting violence, who is saying that we will look at encounters. We must recognize that the elected representatives, the elected government has a constitutional duty and obligation to ensure the maintenance of rule of law. They have the obligation to ensure that the values that are embedded in our preamble, embedded in our constitution, whether it is secular ethos, whether it is our pluralistic and diverse society, whether it is our democratic setup, they have to uphold it. But what you are seeing today is not that not only they are not upholding, they are actively going against it. They are actively looking at breaking it down. They are looking at breaking down our constitutional values.